We'll do everything for the democracy and freedom for our people.
Mr. Barazani, some news yesterday said there is Iraqi troops help you, but as a television we saw there was no troops on the road and you were here during the fight. What could you say about it?
Certainly there was no Iraqi soldier, and our Peshmerga, our people, they uprised and they did the job. There was no Iraqi, and you have with the forces. If there was Iraqi forces, you will see them.
Mr.